Hello guys, and good morning from IBA in Karachi. Welcome to another video from my Pakistan series, and today we are here to celebrate the Independence Day of Pakistan. It's the 72nd because it's the 14th of August, so every year the Pakistani make a huge celebration. We are here at the IBA campus to celebrate it here, and I hope I can go to the city center later to see the local celebrations. I was already finished, so you can do whatever you want. I also need a bigger flag.
बस ठीक है सर, बस ठीक है सर, पानी लेंगे। एक फॉरेनर से भी हम करवा लें पानी। हम take
This?
yeah, take the shovel. No, not this. That shovel. Yes, come join it. I'll take your photograph.
Why don't you come here?
Show it to people in Switzerland.
Let me move out of your way.
All right.
I have to take a look.
Yes. Look here in front of your camera. Okay.
Planting a tree.
Yes.
So guys, we just planted a tree here at IBA in Karachi as a symbol for sustainability, and also they ban plastic products on their campus, so that's a really good thing in my opinion. And also I was really surprised once I arrived here in Pakistan. I heard there is laws in some areas of Pakistan that ban plastic, like plastic bags especially, and they want to implement this in whole of Pakistan so that plastic bags are gone, which is a really good step. And I hope they also invest in some education for the poorer people, especially in the slums here in Karachi, because obviously they don't have the ability to do it like people that are more wealthy. So I really hope that they will also do some steps in that area, but they're doing progress in the right direction, which is really good. Just had some super delicious cake with the Pakistani flag on it, and I have no idea what's going on next, so let's see. Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day! Guys, talking about sustainability earlier with the trash problem around the world, I decided to go to Clifton Beach here in Karachi, which is one of the main beaches, I think, because there's, I don't know how many people there are, but it looks like tens of thousands of people, to be honest. And I will collect some trash here and talk a bit about it later. So yeah, let's do that. So guys, it took me like, I think 5 minutes to collect one huge bag of trash here at Clifton Beach. And I don't do this to blame Pakistan or the people of Pakistan, because this is a problem almost everywhere, especially in Asia, because there is a lack of education for this problem. And I just want to quickly tell to everybody in the world, actually, everybody that is watching this, I know this is a small step. This is just one bag of plastic, and we have a huge plastic problem all around the world. But every step helps, and if many people do small steps, there will be bigger steps. Because if people, the big and important people, see the governments, for example, that the people actually care about this, they want to change something, then they have to do something, and this will be bigger steps. And if they do something, there will be even bigger steps. But there needs to be the first small steps by many people. If only I do this and a few other people, it doesn't matter. Actually it does, because every step matters. But if we have some more people that do this all around the world, this could really start something. So if you live somewhere where there's dirty beaches with plastic and stuff like this, you should do something. You should help to change it. You should start something, work with organizations there. Just try whatever you can do. Because as I said, every small step can help. So the next time you have a piece of trash in your hand and you're thinking about casually just throwing it to the beach or on the street, think about it. Really think about it. Especially if you throw it to the beach. You know what can happen. If you throw some plastic to the water, animals will die from your own plastic. Do you really want that? Do you want to pollute the world we all live in? And this is not about our ethnicity, how we look, how intelligent we are, our skin color. This all doesn't matter, because it's our planet, from everybody. And all these things don't matter. If in 50, 100, 200 years our Earth is fucked, then everybody is fucked, every single one. Not only someone from one country, everyone. So please think about it the next time you want to throw a piece of plastic somewhere. Please do. Look guys, there's so many people back there and back there, everywhere. If every single one of them would take a piece of trash, there would be already so much less trash. But the problem is not that. There needs to be fundamental changes. So I really hope in the future there will be changes all around the world, that we can change something altogether for our planet. And that being said, I really don't want to say bad things about Pakistani people. This is a problem in all around the world, in almost every country, and I really love it here in Pakistan. Don't get me wrong, the people here are really amazing. Even though they make a lot of sound now, and they're the most hospitable people that I ever met probably. So I really love them, but this is just one big issue that I saw in Pakistan so far, and I really hope there will be some changes. And maybe you can be part of it. Thank you, shukriya. So guys, mission successful. While a small girl just hit my ass. I don't know why she did that. Mission successful, and I flew the drone to get some footage. Let's see how it turns out. So guys, I have a new hat. Now I'm ready for all the selfies. Picture with him? Happy Independence Day. Bye bye. Bye bye. That was it already, guys, from this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see future Pakistan videos of me, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you liked the video actually. So see you guys next time. I will have some exciting videos after this. We will actually take the train tonight to Islamabad, which is a 24-hour journey probably. So see you guys next time.